was something down there. I just thought you'd seen that line, something ain't right there. There's a bit of little swells and that going on, and let's say put the old back leg on, drop the line.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
It was on it.
And she was on it.
Fucking brilliant, mate.
Worth the treat. Another £18 that one. Might even be that 40. Not lucky. Good fight though.
Yeah. Feisty, nice colouring in it.
Yeah.
Can we do sexual things to it?
If you want, mate. You from the back, me from the front. Alright. Got like the cheeky bit at the back of the throat. Make you gag, you see the old. Don't go in there, don't go in there. No, stay out. Feisty for little fish. And she's mine.
Nice, man.
Might be a little later, this looks about £12, to be honest. Let me see. Bit more than that. 15.2, mate. Draining off. 15.
Bang on it.
That is. 15. Hold the old girl up, have a quick look at her.
Oh yeah.
And that will be that. Bit of water, darling. And that is how you get summer day carp, mate, off the bottom.
So this is my spoon. We've got baits right out, we've got 2 baits right out there. There's one which is just about there, there's a few feet off the island, and you've got one there in that cove which I've seen a few fish, but I've baited from there with boilie all the way around that edge of those lilies. Large bite there and a large lot there, and there's plenty of shadows and that out there, so we're just waiting for mid-evening. Hopefully they come on the feed. So there you go. And I've got the other one which is right in tight to my bank underneath that tree there, and it's about what, 3-4 foot deep. I've had 1, 2, 3, I've had 4 carp out of there now, up to 18. They've all been 18ish, give or take a bit, so not too bad. So there you go. So I had about 5 or 6 carp up to 18.5, and 4 cats, no sorry, 2 cats at 21 and 25, and we've got tonight to go yet, today and tonight, and then we're done. So there you go. So hopefully I'll tell you with the fish in a bit. Here we are, last morning, about 6:30. You're looking there, there's a catty in the net. With my old mate, which is half out of bed. Here he is, having a lash. And then we'll get him out and have a look. And the last morning. Good. He was big enough. In the net. So if you can take my rod, and then you can hold this in the other hand. Oh, there's that. There's that.
Oh, it's not big, is it?
And he just went in the net again. No, don't go back in. Look at his tail. Got in here. That might be the PP. That might be it. Probably the light.
That was quite funny what I did. With one of them little knock things I had, I thought, fuck it, I was going to strike into it, so I fucking tried to get out that fucking sleeping bag you borrowed me. No, for some reason, it turned round the other way, and I was locked in it.
He's a bit lively. Oh, it's one you up.
That's bigger. That's the biggest one you've had.
Yeah, it might beat my TV. It might. I'll see in a minute.
Beating mine.
That was a nice little bonus, mate, to be honest. I'm not expecting another one this time in the morning.
That was the one that fucking snapped me off last night.
You weren't the one that snapped me off yesterday, though. Right, let's go be about 28.
I hope it's a 30.
I do. I don't think it's going to quite make 30.
Why didn't you fucking radio me when you was playing it? Would you believe it again?
Number
you
24.
Fucking cunt. 24.
24.
Again.
That's two 24s. 25, 24, 24, 21. Not bad. All on Carp rigs.
And he did.
He did.
He did do that. I didn't do that.
Time yet, mate.
I had one. I don't know what I'm doing. No, yeah, I want to video this when you pick it up as well. It'll look quite good. I want to do both. Give me the fucking camera. I am Quentin Tarantino. I'm not a novice, mate.
It's all set.
I should be in fucking Bollywood.
Come down with me,
Yeah, don't you worry about that.
Not the easiest things in the world to hold. Just when they're this lively.
No, this might turn you on how good this turns out, actually.
This might be quite funny in a minute. Right in the old garden. If you don't muck me about, it'd be good.
All I've gotta do
It's so awkward to hold.
See, now I'm opposite there, that's good, see what I mean? This is how you do business. That's a lovely shot, mate. And I'm getting good video footage too, because I'm doubling up.
Nice, mate.
I've always wanted to double up. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm doing some good footage, man. Coming round here.
Go down with me, mate, you get that shot.
Coming round now. In his mouth. Sticking in his mouth!
There you go. £24.
Yeah, I just want to do something here. I want to come round, I want to just do that. Hello, Bandone. Fucking out in the bit, mate. I like the colouring of them now. I'm actually getting into them.
Absolutely gorgeous.
While I'm here. Right, come on then. That's fucking good stuff, mate.
Won't take long anyway, it shoots straight off.
In the fucking way. Well, that's good.
That's it, go for a sulk in the corner.
That's me he's talking about.
And that's the way you do true crafty carving, mate.
Good man.
But it's not carving, it's true crafty catting.